Tesla has now officially confirmed that its long-anticipated affordable electric car will not be called the Model Q. Instead, the company has set its sights on launching the vehicle, commonly referred to as the Model 2, on November 20, 2025, during the fourth quarter of the year. Over the past few weeks, prototypes of this car have been spotted several times on public roads, fueling excitement and speculation among enthusiasts. Both test vehicles, one seen in Texas and another in Fremont, share a striking similarity: a completely redesigned B-pillar that's slimmer, smoother, and nearly gap-free, giving the body a seamless, refined finish. According to Elon Musk, the Model 2 will closely resemble these prototypes and will incorporate a new material designed to lower costs. This innovation ensures both the standard and upgraded variants of the Model 2 will debut under the $20,000 mark, with the base model expected to start at just $15,990, or potentially even less. The question remains, why did Tesla decide to redesign the Model 2, and how does this transformation benefit the consumer? Musk has often emphasized that the revolution in manufacturing represented by this car will blow people's minds. Initially, however, few were overly impressed by Tesla's idea of a mass-market electric car priced at just under $16,000. Early leaks and comparisons to other electric vehicles suggested that the Model 2's specifications weren't particularly groundbreaking. Many assumed it would simply be a smaller, cheaper Tesla, functional but unremarkable. Yet, recent leaks from inside the company suggest that the world may have severely underestimated this project. The Model 2 is shaping up to be not only the most affordable EV ever made but also one that maintains Tesla's hallmark standards of durability, safety, and advanced engineering, all while achieving an unprecedented level of cost efficiency. This leap forward is largely thanks to Tesla's decision to move away from an aluminum alloy body to a high-strength steel structure. According to insiders at Giga Texas, Tesla is substituting most of the aluminum in the car's frame with this new steel technology, a material previously seen in vehicles like the Cybertruck and other high-end models. Remarkably, it's not Tesla's premium vehicles that are adopting this method first, but rather the Model 2, its most affordable offering. Engineers explain that while steel is heavier than aluminum, the company has managed to maintain an excellent strength-to-weight ratio through advanced design and hot stamping techniques. The new material enhances the chassis torsional rigidity by about 20%, improves crash resistance, and cuts production costs significantly since steel is easier and cheaper to process. Tesla's internal crash tests reportedly show that the Model 2's frame can withstand forces up to 1.5 times higher than the standards set by U.S. safety regulations, further reinforcing Tesla's image as the world's safest automaker. Although high-strength steel adds some weight, Tesla's redesign ensures efficiency remains optimal. Earlier prototypes suggested the Model 2 would be roughly 30% lighter than the Model 3, but the shift to steel means it will end up only about 5% heavier than initially planned, an acceptable trade-off given the gains in cost and safety. The company's use of new hot stamping systems and precision welding robots at Giga Texas will streamline assembly, speed up production, and minimize waste. These manufacturing improvements are essential for Tesla's mission to deliver millions of affordable EVs worldwide. Design-wise, the Model 2 is far more compact than Tesla's existing vehicles. Early sketches indicate a short wheelbase and an overall length between 160 and 165 inches, much shorter than the Model Y or Model 3. When the prototype was first seen at Giga Texas, many mistook it for an unfinished Model Y, mainly because it lacked a front bumper. However, a closer look revealed clear differences. The prototype had larger windows, a wider B-pillar, and distinct proportions. The curvature of the windshield, hood slope, and body lines confirmed that it was an entirely new model. Some have speculated that it might be a refreshed Model Y, but Tesla has never changed the dimensions of its SUVs during refresh cycles, making that theory unlikely. During Tesla's Q2 2025 investor meeting, the company confirmed that production of this low-cost model began in June and that deliveries are expected between October and December 2025. Lars Moravy, Tesla's vice president of vehicle engineering, explained that the new models will share a similar silhouette with existing Teslas but that affordability, not aesthetics, is the top priority. To keep prices low, Tesla will build these vehicles on existing production lines, limiting drastic design differences but ensuring scalability. The Model 2's headlight configuration has been simplified, now placed on the hood similar to early Model Y designs but without the connecting light bar. The rear design also eliminates the full-width light strip in favor of basic brake lights. To cut further costs, Tesla may restrict acceleration and top speed, allowing the use of smaller 18-inch wheels, tires, and brakes. Additionally, Tesla is reducing premium interior features. The base Model 2 will likely exclude ventilated or power-adjustable seats, sunroofs, acoustic glass, and high-end upholstery. Convenience features like power folding mirrors, rear seat heating, and interior ambient lighting will also be omitted. Even smaller details, like coat hooks, puddle lights, and advanced suspension systems, may be absent to minimize production complexity. One of the most revolutionary aspects of the Model 2, however, may lie in its battery technology. Tesla is rumored to be preparing its first-generation aluminum-ion batteries for production, a breakthrough that could redefine electric vehicle performance. Unlike lithium-ion batteries, aluminum-ion cells use aluminum ions, which carry 3 positive charges instead of 1, allowing for dramatically higher energy density. In laboratory tests, Tesla's A1 aluminum-ion prototypes have achieved energy densities exceeding 700 Wh/kg, more than double the capacity of current 4,680 lithium-ion cells. This means a car using these batteries could theoretically achieve 700 to 1,000 miles of range per charge while cutting costs and reducing dependence on rare earth materials. Even if early versions of the Model 2 continue using lithium iron phosphate cells, aluminum-ion technology could become its cornerstone in future upgrades, offering faster charging, up to 80% in just 10 minutes, and far longer range at a fraction of today's cost. Of course, maintaining a $15,990 price point is no easy feat. Tesla's profit margins have dropped to around 16% due to heavy investment in new technologies and price cuts. Tariffs, inflation, and supply chain shifts have added further challenges, especially as up to 30% of Tesla's components are sourced from Mexico. However, the company is responding by localizing its supply chains, including new battery production facilities like the KTL plant in Michigan, set to open in 2026, and Giga Mexico, expected to produce 10,000 Model 2 units weekly. These facilities will help reduce import costs and improve economies of scale. Even if production expenses push the final price closer to $18,000 to $20,000, the Model 2 would still remain the most affordable EV in its class. Tesla isn't relying solely on car sales to sustain profitability. Its software ecosystem, especially full self-driving, FSD, subscriptions priced between $1,200 and $2,400 annually, provides recurring income. If even a third of Model 2 owners opt in, that could substantially offset production costs. Regulatory credits and Tesla's $36 billion cash reserve further strengthen its ability to sustain low prices temporarily. The company is expected to maintain its $15,990 price target for at least the first 12 to 18 months after launch, through mid-2027, before any adjustments. As production scales and aluminum-ion technology matures, the Model 2 could transform the EV market entirely, proving that innovation doesn't need to be expensive, only efficient and scalable. The upcoming $15,990 Tesla Model 2 represents more than just another vehicle, it's a symbol of Tesla's mission to democratize electric mobility. By re-engineering materials, redesigning manufacturing, and rethinking affordability, Tesla is setting the stage for a new generation of sustainable transportation accessible to millions. The company's unboxed manufacturing process, now implemented at Giga Texas, will cut factory costs by half and speed up production dramatically. Tesla plans to produce around 500,000 units annually in its early phase, potentially scaling to 2.5 million by 2026. Whether the Model 2 truly lives up to the hype remains to be seen, but one thing is certain, Tesla is betting big on the idea that the future of EVs will be affordable, efficient, and built for everyone.